Hello Bladers! Are you looking for your next vehicle? You're a family of 4? What are the things you consider in getting a vehicle? Do you also enjoy long drives with your family? Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. In this video, we will help you choose the perfect AUV for your next summer travel. Are you thinking on buying an AUV or a multi-purpose vehicle, but wondering how to choose? Let us enlighten you with 4 possible right choices for your AUV hunt that would be perfect for your road trip. The Toyota Innova. You can go for a powerful, smooth, and refined machinery with the Toyota Innova. With its automatic transmission and D4D common rail turbocharged diesel engine, it is reliable, versatile, and its performance is unparalleled by far. Mitsubishi Adventure. If you opt to go for a more traditional AUV segment, Mitsubishi Adventure will surely not disappoint. It's a decent and stylish AUV. Its engine is strong and decent. It is also equipped with excellent matched gearing to the output of its modest engine. The Mitsubishi Adventure also has quite a roomy interior and is very easy to drive. Hopefully, Mitsubishi will consider updating its exterior looks. Isuzu Crosswind. The Isuzu Crosswind is still a good option. However, its interior is not as roomy as the Mitsubishi Frontliner. Despite this, its design and functionality is still great to consider. Plus, Isuzu is famous for their diesel engines being durable. Kia Carens. Apart from the 3 well-known brands of AUVs, another entry would be Kia Carens, a stylish and Euro-inspired MPV. It's a great deal and considered an underdog. However, if you're not space-centric in terms of interiors, Carens is actually an awesome deal as it offers a lovely ride. Its unibody chassis allows Carens to have a more car-like depiction on the road. Unfortunately, Kia discontinued this unit already here in the Philippines, so you can settle for second-hand units. Choosing the right AUV for your summer travel might look tricky, but really, all you need to do is create a checklist of priorities on what you are looking for a vehicle. All 4 above-mentioned gears are awesome for long drive travel. Just make sure what you will buy will tick the boxes of your priority checklist. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some AUVs you have in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better.